So for the executive summary, Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company was established in Binondo, Manila by a group of Filipino businessmen in September 1962. The bank first branch was established in Divisoria in August 1963. And 4 years later, Metrobank opened its first provincial branch, the Davao branch. Metrobank was incorporated principally to provide financial services to the Filipino-Chinese community. In 2010, Metrobank was granted its license by the Financial Services Authority, becoming the first high street bank to be granted such a license for over 150 years. With a history spanning more than 60 years, it aims to deliver meaningful banking to Filipinos whenever, everywhere. It boasts diverse product portfolio including investment banking, thrift banking, leasing and financing, bank assurance, and credit cards. It offers a full range of services to large local and multinational corporations, middle market and SMEs, high net worth individuals and retail segments. So next we have 2.1 Industry Analysis. So in 2024, the banking industry in the Philippines was marked with toughness and growth. With Metrobank proving to be the second largest private universal bank, the bank recorded an all-time high net income that reached 48.1 billion, which is equivalent to an increase of 14% year-on-year. This was attributed to the expansion of gross loans by 17%, surpassing the industry's growth rate of 12.5%. In addition, Metrobank has improved its non-performing loan (NPL) ratio to 1.43%, with capital adequacy ratio at a strong 16.7%, indicating very good financial health.
The figure indicates that Metrobank is appearing as one of the top performers in the sector with overall growth. It ranks second to Union Bank when it comes to income performance, while the other competing banks are growing less in assets, but definitely show they are still growing. The figure indicates Metrobank's solid market position and implemented strategic emphasis in a very competitive banking industry.
In 2024, Metrobank stood out as of one of the top banks in the Philippines due to strong growth, high efficiency, and smart strategy. It successfully combined traditional banking strengths with new digital initiatives. However, as digital competitors continue to raise customers' expectations, Metrobank must keep evolving its digital services to maintain its competitive edge and meet changing client needs. Metrobank is closely regulated by key government agencies such as Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation to ensure financial stability, protect consumers, and uphold data privacy. It must comply with strict regulation on capital adequacy, anti-money laundering, risk management, and cybersecurity. With evolving laws like Data Privacy Act of 2012 and BSP's guidelines on digital banking and cybersecurity, Metrobank must continuously adapt to maintain consumer trust, protect its brand, and secure operations. Metrobank serves a wide range of clients, including individual consumers, large corporations, and institutional investors. Its products are tailored for growing middle-class, high-net-worth individuals and business owners, offering banking, loans, and investment services with the convenience of online platforms. For corporate clients across industries like retail, manufacturing, real estate, and infrastructure, Metrobank provide commercial lending, treasury, and cash management solutions to support their growth and financial stability. Here are the list of competitive rivalry of Metrobank. First is BDO Unibank, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Land Bank of the Philippines, Philippine National Bank, Union Bank of the Philippines, and Security Bank.
So for the micro-exporters framework, we have 5 Metrobanks in the industry's competitors. Firstly, the threat of entrance, threat of substitutes, bargaining power of suppliers. Fourth is the bargaining power of buyers. Lastly is the industry rivalry. So firstly, the threat of a new entrance is the barrier to entry, brand loyalty, capital investment. For the substitute is the alternative services, upgrade of convenience, in innovative technologies. For the bargaining power of suppliers is the technology and low suppliers concentration, bank control. For buyers is customers choice, um, demand for digital services, price sensitivity. Lastly, the industry's rivalry is establishing competitors by differentiation and digital competition. So for the competitive profile matrix, so the scoring scale is the number 1 is major weakness, so the number 5 is major strength. So the competitive profile matrix shows that BDO and BPI are the present leaders in the banking industries and possess overall strength in all the categories, while Metrobank and Union Bank are the building strong contenders against BDO and BPI, with Metrobank being stable and Union Bank is providing to specialize in digitalization. The study also recommends that innovation digital banking, and customer experience are now top-ranking success factors for competitive advantage for the Philippines banking section. So for the consumer's perception, so we have eight key success factors. Firstly, strong brand reputation, extensive branch and ATM network, risk management practices, broad product and service offerings, innovation and technology adaptation, consumer service quality, digital banking capacity, and lastly, the financial performance and instability. So we have um, positive and negative about these key success factors. So for the positive is the consumers see Metrobanks as a reputable and well-established banks, and customers are pleased that Metrobank has remained current and gone digital to some extent, as evident by its effort on mobile and online access. The majority of the customer praise the convenience of customers' access to Metrobank. Another driver of customer loyalty is Metrobank provision of service that range from retail and corporate banking to investment solution. So for the negative is the Metrobank is slow in their services, and internet banking is a growth initiative for the bank. So delays or technical glitches do happen sometimes. So additionally, Metrobank's conventional banking model and consumer experience may not appeal to younger generation who have grown.
Macro-environmental forces, Metrobank Pestal analysis, political, installment plans, and guaranteed transactions supplemented political stability in the Philippines over a period during which conductive banking operations have been established. Number 2, economics. Steaming economies and enhanced buying have been precipitated high demand for credits and banking services. Social. The growth of the middle class and greater literacy in finance have diversified the base of customers for banking products. Technological. Digitalizing has found its way into improving Metrobank's capabilities with respect to online banking, mobile banking, and other platforms aimed at catching up with modern tech-savvy customers. Environmental. Metrobank has undertaken programs relating to education, arts, and social sectors, showing its commitment to sustainable development by which it views its corporate responsibility. Legal. Regulatory issues such as high capital adequacy ratios needs to be adhered to by Metrobank, which thus follows all regulatory procedures.
So for the company profile, about the company, the Metrobank is a major bank in the Philippines, offering a wide range of banking and financial services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. Established in 1962, it has become a reliable universal bank known for its innovation and customer-focused services. Metrobank provides customer and corporate banking, investment banking, insurance, credit cards, asset management, trust services, and remittance options. The headquarters of the Metrobank is in Makati City. It Metrobank has over 950 branches and 2,300 ATMs in the Philippines, with a presence in the international markets like Asia, the Middle East, North America, and Europe, including cities such as New York, Tokyo, and Hong Kong. The bank is publicly listed in the Philippines Stock Exchange as MBT and is part of the GT Capital Holdings Group, which also cooperates in real estate, automotive power, and insurance. Metrobank's slogan, what we call the "You are in good hands," reflects in dictation in financial quality and building. The bank aims to be a trusted financial partner by providing valuable banking experience that help Filipinos and strengthen the economy. It leads in digital innovation, responsible banking, and personalized customer services. So for the mission, by creating and customizing financial solutions in response to our stakeholders' needs, continuously expanding our scope of reach and leading in community service, we live up to you're in good hands promise that embodies who we are and what we do. So for the vision is we aim to be the country's premier financial conglomerate, empowering our individual and business clients to realize their goals and reach their full potential. So for the company history, Metrobank was founded on September 5, 1962 in Binondo, Manila by Dr. George T.Y. And a group of Filipino business people to serve the Filipino Chinese community. It quickly gained a reputation for reliable service, opening its first branch in Divisoria in 1963. In 1970, it became the first privately owned Filipino bank to open a branch um, overseas in Taipei, Taiwan, followed by a representative office in Hong Kong in 1973. By 1981, Metrobank had received a universal bank charter which allowed it to offer various services beyond commercial banking. In 1988, Metrobank diversified by partnering with other companies to establish Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation. In 2000, it emerged with Solid Bank Corporation, enhancing its assets and customer base. By 2007, all businesses of the TY family were consolidated under GT Capital Holdings. Now let's go to opportunities and issue analysis. So for the SWOT analysis, we have strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So let's start with the strength. So the Metrobank respected a reliable universal bank in the Philippines, extensive unit network comprising over 950 branches and more than 2,300 ATMs across the country. Variety of financial services offered including banking, insurance, investment, and asset management. Robust support from GT Capital Holdings, which enhance both financial and cooperational collaborations. So for the weaknesses, the speed of digital transformation is lagging behind of fintech rivals. Complicated banking producers might defer younger or more tech-oriented customers. There is a strong, reliable, convictional banking system. So for the opportunities, increasing needs for digital and mobile banking services. Move into underserved or unbanked rural regions supported by government financial inclusion programs. Opportunities for partnership and collaboration with the fintech companies, growing interest in ESG, or the what we call environmental, social, government, and investment. So lastly, the threats. Growing competition from nimble digital banks and financial technology applications such as Tonic, Maya, and Gcash. Risk of cybersecurity branches and online fraud. Economic uncertainties such as inflation, increasing interest rates, and global markets fluctuations. So now for the key success factors, we have 8 key success factors. Firstly, the brand reputation. Metrobank has maintained a good track record in the Philippines banking industry for so long. Its reputation goes back to a long way. It has established a reputation for stability, trust, and financially viability. A strong brand reputation increases customer confidence, and it is critical driver of bringing a new clients and retaining existing ones in a com- competitive banking sector. Second is the branch and ATM network. Having a vast physical infrastructure comprising branches and ATMs across the whole country to ensure availability and accessibility for customers. This physical footprint allows Metrobank to equally serve urban or rural customers where demand for service is different and where customers can see a real differences in the service Metrobank provides within the market. So for the financial performance, profitability, asset quality, and capital adequacy are strong financial indicators that supports operations and instills instill confidence in investors. The regular financial performance of Metrobank allows it to support growth, meet regulatory requirements, and weather downturns when the economy declines. So now the digital banking capi- capabilities. In the modern banking context, Metrobank's capacity to provide seamless, secure, and intuitive customers experience on digital platforms in the most significant competitive advantage. From mobile apps to online banking and contactless solutions, Metrobanks continues to meet the growing demands of tech-savvy customers and subsequently improve service efficiently. Next is the product and service range. By providing a full range of banking products, savings and checking accounts, loans, investment services, and insurance, the Metrobank can serve a wide range of customers from individuals to large corporations. Next is customer service. Timely, courteous, at, and competent service aids Metrobank in cultivating able to ensure build customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. Tailored banking assistance, quick response help desk, and quick problem solving are essential to keep above the line service continually. Next is the innovation and technology. Investing in new technologies enables Metrobank to remain competitive and enhance customer experience and internal efficiency. Innovation is important in an ever exchanging financial environment. Lastly is the risk management. Good risk management engages Metrobank to be secure against issues of fraud, financial loss, and compliance issues. A bank with established frameworks for market risk, operational risk, credit risk, and compliance is resilient and can be trusted by stakeholders.
Market segmentation of Metrobank. Demographic, 25 to 60 years old. Sex, male and female. Civil status and civil status. Income, middle to high income earners. Occupation, professionals, entrepreneur, OFWs, and retirees. Geography. Location, nationwide, urban, rural areas. Type of community. Business districts, residential zones, emerging growth areas, and more. Behavioristic, user status, first-time account holders, long-time clients, digital banking users, multi-product users, loans, for example, loan, savings, and investment. Usage rate, moderate to heavy users of banking and financial services. Benefits sought, security, convenience, accessibility, and reliable financial guidance. Psychographic, lifestyle. Financially literate individuals, career-driven professionals, business owners, family-oriented savers, and investment-conscious individuals. Values, trust, stability, innovation, and responsible financial planning. The proposed market segmentation of Metrobank would be to change lower the 25 to 18 and make it so that it's 18 to 65-year-old. Sex would be male and female. Civil status, students, single professionals, married individuals, retirees. The income would be low to high income brackets to include underserved segments like students or informal workers. Occupation, students, freelance, gig workers, professionals, MSMEs, and corporate clients. Geography, location. We included OFW hubs like Middle East, US, Europe, Asia. And now the type of community would be areas with growing digital penetration, underserved provincial locations, and tech-driven commercial zones. Behavioristic. User status, first-time servers, digital savers, digital banking adopters, loan applicants, investors, and for usage rate, like users, for example, e-wallet, Gcash, think of GoTime, and more. Moderate users or like monthly users. Heavy users would be like daily mobile branch transactions. Now benefits sought: financial inclusion, low fees, digital convenience, financial advisory, quick loan processing, and more. The psychographic basically stays the same. That's it.
Metrobank targets middle to high income earners and corporate clients, primarily professionals, entrepreneurs, and established business owners seeking reliable banking services. It offers savings, loans, and investment products, along with business loans, trade finance, and cash management through strong relationship banking. Its private wealth division has earned multiple awards from Euromoney for serving ultra-high net worth individuals, with over 900 branches and 2,300 plus ATMs nationwide. Metrobank maintained a strong physical presence, appealing to customers who value in-person service and the bank's trusted reputation for stability and sound financial management.
5.4 Proposed Target Market. Metrobank proposed target market includes different groups of people to support inclusive and sustainable finance. The bank focuses on individual customers such as young professional, middle to upper income earners, and retirees. For these customers, Metrobank offers various services like savings and checking accounts, personal loans, credit cards, and digital bank options. Another important group they serve is overseas Filipino workers or OFWs and their families. The bank provides remittance services and special foreign currency accounts to help manage their account money from abroad. Metrobank also claims to reach low-income individuals and communities. These include unbanked people, small business owners, those living in rural areas, and the youth. To help them, the bank runs financial education programs like Money Basics, Earnest, and Moneybility. These programs are designed to teach people how to manage their money better. Overall, Metrobank wants to make banking accessible to everyone and help more Filipinos become more financially responsible. 5.5 Positioning. Metrobank positions itself as a trusted and reliable bank that puts its customers first. It offers a wide range of financial services for both individuals and businesses. The bank's famous tagline, "We're in good hands," shows that it wants people to feel safe, supported, and valued when they bank with Metrobank. This message is shared across all its advertisements, branches, online platforms, and customer service points to build strong relationships with both regular customers and business clients. Metrobank also wants to be seen as a modern and digital-ready bank that still values human connection. While it continues to support digital banking, it also makes sure customers can visit any of its 900-plus branches nationwide. As of early 2024, the bank had 1.9 million online users, showing its success in digital. This approach helps Metrobanks connect with both tech-savvy young people and more traditional customers, making it different from banks that focus only on digital or only physical services. Key marketing strategies. 6.1 Positioning statement. Metrobank is a trusted bank for Filipinos from all income levels. It serves as young professionals, OFWs, entrepreneurs, small and medium businesses, and even communities that are often underserved. As a full-service financial institution, Metrobank offers banking solutions that are inclusive and sustainable. What makes the bank stand out is a strong commitment to meaningful bank, promoting financial education and creating services that focus on the needs of its clients. This helps Metrobank stay ahead in today's competitive banking industry. 6.2 Product Strategy. Metrobank product strategy is anchored on offering a broad and inclusive suite of financial services. For individual consumers, the bank provides savings and checking accounts, personal loans, credit cards, and digital banking solutions. For OFWs and their families, Metrobank delivers specialized services such as remittance platforms and foreign current deposit accounts. In the high net worth and ultra high net worth segment, Metrobank's private wealth division offers financial services including asset and portfolio management, estate planning, and trust solutions. The bank also supports the growth of small businesses by offering business loans, cash management, tools, trade finance, and digital platforms that enable operational efficiency. Corporate clients benefit from Metrobank's extensive experience in structured lending loans, capital market advisory, and treasury solutions through a First Metro Investment Corporation. Additionally, Metrobank's efforts to promote financial inclusion are evidenced by its services targeting low-income populations, youth, and rural communities through educational initiatives and accessible banking products.
So for the pricing strategy, Metrobank employs a value-based and competitive pricing strategy that is responsive to the needs of each market segment. The standards retail offerings such as deposit accounts and personal loans are priced remain accessible and attractive to a broad customer space. The bank also provides a fee waivers and maintains low initial deposits requirements for underserved markets. For premium services under the private wealth division, pricing is typically customized based on the complexity and scope of services provided. In the corporation and investment banking space, Metrobank applies relationship-based pricing models and negotiated terms, offering clients flexibility and tailored financial solution.
So next we have 6.4 Promotion Strategy. Metrobank's promotion strategy is centered on multi-channel engagement and financial education. The bank leverages both digital platforms and traditional media to reinforce its brand as a reliable, forward-looking institution. Educational initiatives such as Money Basics, Earnest, and Moneyability are central to Metrobank's mission of enhancing financial literacy across the country, particularly among the youth and unbanked populations. Additionally, Metrobank engages in target marketing to specific segments such as OFWs, SMEs, and affluent clients through customized campaigns, client events, and thought leadership content. Its promotional efforts consistently emphasizes trust, security, innovation, and social responsibility. So next we have 6.5 or the distribution strategy. So Metrobank employs an omnichannel distribution model that integrates physical, digital, and partner-driven channels. Its extensive branch network ensures accessibility in both urban centers and underserved rural areas. The bank's digital infrastructure, including online and mobile banking platforms, enables clients to conduct transactions securely and conveniently. Furthermore, Metrobank utilizes ATMs, point-of-sale terminals, and remittance partners to extend its reach. For affluent and corporate clients, dedicated relationship managers and wealth centers offer specialized services. The bank also continues to explore agent banking models and community partnerships to reach unbanked and remote communities as part of its financial inclusion strategy.